Hey everyone, I hope you will be fine and doing well. So in this session, I am going to coach you the introduction to the keyword planner. So what exactly the keyword planner is all about? This is one of the heart of your Google Ads campaign now. So in the last sessions, we were discussing about the campaign structure in which we discuss each and everything in detail. But now I would like to keep letting you know with the help of keyword planner what kind of results we can get, and whenever we are going for targeting a specific keyword, so we must need to understand about the keyword planner too now. So just quickly navigate towards the Google Ads account and click on the tools and setting, and after that you need to navigate towards the planning session, and under the planning session there is the keyword planner. So just click on the keyword planner quickly, and once you will be keep clicking on the keyword planner, the system will be navigating us towards the keyword planner interface. Now it will take few seconds, so you need to be patient in this regard. So the screen is now in front of us, and there are the two options. The one is the discovery new keywords, and the second option is the get search volume and the forecast. But you need to concentrate on the discovery, the new keywords now, and we want to know about getting the ideas how many people are searching for a specific keyword. So let's say if I am interested on the digital marketing services now, so if I just specified here the digital marketing services in USA, so I want to see that how many people are keep searching for this specific keyword now. So if I just after specifying of my expected keyword, I navigate towards the get results and click on the get results, and after that you will be able to see that Google Ads is keep presenting me the results of my expected keywords. But here the point is I am interested on the USA, so you need to select first the country now. So click on this pencil icon, and then you need to specify your country, and this include the country which currently I am living now. So I just need to specify the USA, and then there is a blue button you can see here, the text target. Click on the target one, and after that you just need to click on the save button now. So after the save button you will be able to see that I'm getting the real targeted audience which are belongs towards in USA area, the region. So if you just need to keep adding more keywords, if you would like to add and get results, click on the get results, and you just see that how many people are keep searching for the digital marketing services and USA. So you will be able to see that the 5,400k people are searching for this particular keyword, and you will be able to see their competition is low. The cost per bid, how many advertisers are keep targeting for this specific keyword. So always you need to be keep targeting on the low competition keywords, and the plus their CPC rate will also be low now. So the maximum search volume with the combination of low competition keyword, these two parameters, the columns should have an eagle eye, and you need to be target only those keywords whose search volumes are maximum and the competition will be low. And in this regard, the more the chances of your CPC rate will be low, as much as low now, and your rank will be very easily on the top of the list now whenever you will be keep targeting for the CPC rate now. And you need to also make sure that the ad relevancy, your landing page should also be meeting the criteria of the specific keyword which you are keep targeting right now. So after that, if you would like to download all these expected keywords, because there are so many other keywords, and I'm interested to download in my Excel sheet now. So let me show you something. Like if I just need to create this Excel sheet, and if you just navigate towards this icon here at the top, you can see the arrow one. Now if you just click this arrow one and download on the CSV format, click here. Now the Google Ads is preparing the sheet for us, and I need to download this sheet. So once this sheet will be in a download form, then I need to be keep using those keywords whose search volumes are in a large numbers, and their combinations will be low, and the most the target area will be, the competition will be low, the better the chances our CPC rate will be low as well now. So my file is downloaded successfully, so I just need to open my file now. And what I need to do now, I just need to remove some of the columns which I am now more required, and those are not my requirements. So I just need to delete the irrelevant information. So I'm only interested on the search volumes and the competition. So I just need to select the irrelevant column. I am going to delete these ones now. I just deleted the irrelevant column. So at the end, only I have the search volume and I have the competition column only. So I also need some more columns here. So you need to be very much choosy in this regard. So I just want to keep the low cost per bit, and the rest of the column I'm just going to delete it now. And after deleting these columns, I need to apply the sorting. So let me increase the size of the column, and this is the currency. Is also not interested. I'm just interested in my keywords, and this one is the competition one, the monthly search volumes. So you can also just select the expected column and apply the table format, and after that you can see that the monthly search volumes, I need to apply the descending order. I want to see the largest to smallest, so just click on the largest to smallest, and after that click, and you will be able to see that how the descending order the data will be keep presenting that these are the 18K people are searching for these keywords, and I need to be keep targeting the ones whose search volumes are maximum and the competitions are the low. So let's take for example, if I would like to target the height some of more column, and I just want to keep targeting on the, let's say, first 5 keywords now. So I just need to be keep selecting, let's say, these 5 keywords, and in the similar way you can select, and then after selecting your expected keywords, in the upcoming sessions you can apply these keywords in your real-time campaign. So I hope that you enjoyed a lot and really learned a lot of stuff now. So looking forward to share with you another exciting session with you, Norm, and keep enjoying and keep learning. Thank you very much for watching this session.